about an hour before spring break. I know you guys are eager to get out of here. You just finished up with your test. What I want you guys to do is to just work on some AP practice exam questions. The AP exam is upon us. We only got about 2 units left. And so after spring break, we're going to do 2 more, and then we're going to start reviewing for the exam. So I figured the best thing that we can do as a class is to see the real thing. And I can come around with you guys as you're doing this exam with a partner and kind of fill in the gaps of knowledge that you might have. So what you're going to do today is take an AP practice test. And you're going to take it in partners. So what I want to do, and my objective for this, is for you guys to identify what you don't know. There's a lot of terms in the class, about 1,000 different terms. So we need to be able to identify the vocabulary that we don't know, and then to gain a deeper understanding of it by talking about it with either me or, more importantly, your partner. Because you learn when you listen to others, you also learn when you teach others. So I'd like to be able for you guys to do both of those things. So before we start, you can see I have like 100 questions there. Just make sure you have it out. So if everybody could just take it out, make sure you're looking at the assignment before we even get started, please. Yes. All right. So next thing I want you to do, pick a partner. Look at them. Find them. Tell them they're beautiful. Tell them they're beautiful. Very beautiful. It's an order. And intelligent. All right. You guys, please look up here. All right, so what you're going to do is with your partner, you're going to go through each question. I don't mind where you start on the AP test. You guys can start in just different places, that's fine, as long as you're getting exposed to the content. So what you're going to do with your partner is take it question by question. So first, quietly to yourselves with your partner, read each question. Then, once the question has been read by both partners, then one of you guys is going to say the question out loud. Look over the answer choices and discuss which one you think is the best answer. So, after you select the best answer, why don't you look at the other answer choices to see what those terms mean? So, any term you don't know in the question or in the answer choice, go ahead and highlight or underline, and maybe on the first page, write those terms on the top of the first page so all those terms are in one place. If we identify what we don't know, we then know what to study. So, as you guys are doing this, I'm going to bounce around to your tables and to check on the terms you don't know and maybe ask you some questions or two. So, as far as your grade, this is a participation assignment, so as long as you're working, you're going to be fine. I just want you guys to explore what you don't know and to learn from yourselves and from your partners and from me. So, if you guys